Hey fam, how you doing? Matty D here, A1 Solutions Group. Today's video is a little different, okay? This is a video about credit, which is money, and I want to start doing more videos on credit I want to start doing more videos on money and financial stuff going forward from here in the future, because if you're going to fix your credit and everything else, you want to do that, you also have to look at your whole financial picture for what it is, just for what it is. And your credit can get better, but it helps to make it get better faster when you better understand money, how that works, how you use your advantage, pay off debt, use investments, and things like nature. Too many people either get the credit fix and then don't do anything else with learning how to make more money, grow their wealth or anything. Or in some cases, people get their credit repaired, fixed, get the house, whatever, and then they slide right back to where they are. So it's like you do that work and stuff and patience for what? In vain. In today's video, I'm going to talk about really the stock market, these apps and things. Is something that I feel people need to know, and you got to understand this, okay? You have to put this in your core being. Now, I'm not going to bash these apps. I do use one of them. The apps I'm talking about, that you see commercials for, the investment apps like Acorn, Stash, what else? I forget another one that's out there. There's a bunch. Robinhood, yeah, Acorn, Stash, Robinhood, and something else, okay? Basically, you're not familiar with this. These apps now allow you to, either in cases, buy full shares of companies that are on the stock market or fractional shares. I have Stash. I like Stash. It's good. Stash lets you start for at least $5. You can buy fractional shares of their own stocks they offer of companies, and then you can all buy fractional shares, which is like a percentage of a share in companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, all that stuff. And I do recommend doing that, because if you use Google, we might as well buy a stock company and get paid to use Google, literally, okay? The thing about these commercials, particularly with the Acorn, okay, Acorn commercial, and if you're listening to this all the way through, you're going to find out how their tune's going to change, like, I don't say quickly. When it happens, it will change quickly, and they're going to do a major 180 on this stuff. Right now, everyone is talking about the stock market and how right now is a good time to make money. And this, to basically understand, we're in a bull market, meaning stock market is continually going up, 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 and up. That's a bull market. A bear market is when the stock market is just going declining, hits a low point, bottoms out, and is at this bottom for X amount of time until it goes back up and they're back in the bull market. Here's the way it works with the majority of people. When the stock market is going up, 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 which is going up since the last recession in 08-09, people are like, oh my God, you should invest in the stock market. It's a great time right now, because anybody can make money in the stock market when it's going up. So Acorn is saying, hey, take all your spare change that you have that you don't use and invest in the stock market, which is fine. And I think it's a good idea. The issue is, when the stock market crashes, which it's going to, I'm telling you this right now, it's going to crash. I'm thinking sometime late next year and into 2021. At the very latest, 2022, 2023. It's going to crash. What's going to happen is these commercials like Acorn are saying, hey, take your spare change, put it in, we'll invest in all this stuff, right? And tell us, oh, you're going to power the stock market. It's great. It's up now, and as long as it keeps going up, you will make money. You'll be like, oh, this is so easy. Why didn't I do it before? The thing is, when it goes down and you see all your money that you made start to go away, and you see the value of stocks decrease and your portfolio lose money, here's what's going to happen with a lot of people. They panic sell. They see if you had made your 30 grand stock market past a couple, 5 years, and then the stock market starts crashing, you go from 30,000 in your portfolio to 25, 20,000, 15,000, 10,000. You're going to think, holy crap, if I don't sell this now, I'm going to have nothing. One, do not panic sell, because if you do, then you lock in your losses. Yes, you lose money, it will go down, but if you hold on to what's there, it will go back at some point, and you can bounce back even further, okay? So the thing about my warning to you in this is that Acorn and all those commercials right now that you see about invest stock market, use spare change, you can do this, right? When it declines, their tone, their message is going to change. I want to see real quick. It's going to do a dramatic 180, because if your whole premise right now, and think about this and feel in your core, if your whole premise right now is that you can make money now in the stock market when it's up, what's going to keep, what's going to keep people around and spending money with you, with your firm, when the stock market is going down? Most people aren't going to stay for that. They're going to leave and sell, and these companies are going to do something different. So I'm not trying to say don't invest. And if you're going to invest and you want to learn invest stock market, you have to understand, you got to know that if you're going to be successful with the stock market, you have to invest when the market is up, when the market is down, when it goes sideways, left and right. Is it a risk? Yes. But if you're smart about it and study and say strategies, you can do where no matter what the market does, you can still make money. There are people who make money when some market's down, when the money's up. You just have to learn it. You have to go beyond what you learn in school. Okay. So again, yes, you make money in the stock market now. Yes, it's great. But when it takes a dip, and it will, that's when you're really going to really find out like how much tolerance you have. Are you able to, go through, invest in a market that's declining when everyone around you, your mom, dad, coworkers, they're like, oh my God, worst time is losing money, blah, 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 which happens every single time. Stock market declines. People think it's the end of the world. And if you stay in it, though, and those who stay in it, who weather the storm, who actually keep investing along the way, when things rebound, they end up making more money. All right, the irony of it all. And you can find proof of this. But I'm saying right now, my point of view is that, like, look, again, it's good now, but they're doing you a disservice by not saying, yo, this is what it is now, here's what you're doing. And that's going to upset a lot of people who are like, why is it going down? They told me it was a good time to do all this stuff. Think about it. If you bought stock in Google, all right, and the stock is going down, are you really think emotionally you're going to keep throwing money at something that you see is going down in value? You wouldn't do that. You're like, nah, I'm going to pull out and do something different. Well, that's how it works with people in motion. So hope this video helps. Let me know what your thoughts are below. Comment below, what questions you have about stock market and stuff and investing. I do want to bring on other services that we can use to help people, help them improve their financial reality, going beyond credit, because I'm telling you right now, one thing you got to learn how to do is how to make more money, increase your cash flow outside of your job. So you only have so many hours in a day, and you got to learn how to have money work for you instead of you always working for it. Because here's the thing. Do you see the wealthy working, 10-hour days and getting wealthier? No, they don't do that. They have stuff in place that makes money for them. And the fact that they're working so much is because, one, they want to, two, they enjoy it, and three, they're not slaving away at it like you are all day long. There's a difference. So comment below, brand new, subscribe. We got more some credit, more stuff on the money coming down the pipe, which I'm going to talk about. Go from there. Appreciate you. Peace.